members, today we are making this solar oven and we are going to need a pizza box or a shoe box or any box that you have that is flat like this, school glue or tape, a sheet of black paper, scissors, a utility knife, aluminum foil, plastic wrap, a wooden skewer, pencil or straw. Duct tape is optional, and to use your solar oven, you will need sunlight and fairly warm outside temperatures, so above 75 degrees preferably. And you will also need whatever you want to cook. I am using marshmallows. Start by cleaning out the pizza box so it is ready to become a solar oven. I wanted to cover the box's logo, so I covered it in yellow duct tape all the way through, but this is optional. Now, because my pizza box is not a conventional one that already has a top flap that opens, I cut one like this. You can skip this step if you have a box that opens already. Next, on the top of the pizza box's lid, draw a square or mark a square that is about 1 inch inward from each edge. Use a utility knife and adult supervision. Carefully cut along each side of the square you just drew, except for the side that runs along the hinge of the box. Cut all the way through the cardboard on those 3 sides of the square. Then fold the flap back slightly along the attached side. Next, place black construction paper all on the inside of your box, just like this. Glue or tape in place. Make sure the inside is completely filled. You can also line it with aluminum foil first, then add the black construction paper for better insulation. Close it and cut plastic wrap to fill the opening made by the top flap. Attach the plastic wrap to the opening's edge using tape. Make sure there are no holes in the plastic and that all of its edges are completely closed onto the lid. Cut and line the inside of the cardboard flap with aluminum foil to help hold the foil in place, and glue the foil onto the flap. Keep the foil as smooth as possible. Lastly, use a wooden skewer, pencil, or even a straw like me to prop up the solar oven's lid up. Your solar oven is ready to do some cooking. Place your food in and put the solar oven outside where it will get full direct sunlight for at least 30 minutes. Keep the oven turned so that the flap faces the sun. When the marshmallow is soft, it should be ready to enjoy. Solar ovens use solar energy, light and heat emitted from the sun, to cook food. It is designed to absorb more heat than it releases. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed, members, and see you guys next time.